Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Graphs of accumulation functions look intimidating, but you can solve this in 60 seconds by checking the intercepts and the slope behavior of the given function. Since g is defined as the integral from 2 to x, g of 2 must equal 0. Look for the graph that crosses the x-axis exactly at x equals 2. By the fundamental theorem, the derivative of g is f. Because f is always non-negative, g must be non-decreasing everywhere. This is the key to narrowing down our choices. For x less than 2, the integral from 2 to x is negative because the bounds are reversed. Only one graph stays below the axis for x less than 2. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore the function sign or miss the intercept. Always check the slope sign instead.